Adverbs. So now we are going to learn new things in grade 7 for adverbs. Introduction. So what exactly are adverbs? An adverb is a word used to describe a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It usually tells us how, when, where, how much time, and with what frequency the action has happened. Let us see the adverbs describing verbs. I ate my dinner quickly. Here, ate is a verb, and it's how did I eat my dinner? Quickly. So here, this is an adverb. Quickly is an adverb. My father seldom watches TV at night. Watches is verb, and describing watches means when he watches, seldom. So seldom is an adverb. She often does her homework there. Means she often is the adverb, and it is describing does, which is the verb. He usually visits me for the checkup. So usually is an adverb and visits is the verb, as usually is describing visits. Now let us see adverbs describing adjectives. He is very happy today. Very. So happy, he is a noun, and happy is adjective. How he is happy today. So very happy today. So adverb is very, and it is describing happy. Meera wore brightly colored dress on her birthday. So Meera is the noun, and colored dress on her birthday. So here adjective, it's describing the dress. The dress was colored. And brightly is again describing the adjective, means Meera wore brightly colored dress on her birthday. Now let us see adverbs describing another adverb. The dancer moves so gracefully. So here is an adverb, and another adverb is gracefully. So how does the dancer move? He moves gracefully. So here verb is moves. Gracefully is describing verb moves, and again so is the adverb which is describing another adverb gracefully. The scientist quite easily solved the problem. So quite easily. So easily is obviously an adverb. Quite is another adverb which is describing easily the adverb. Now there are 5 types of adverbs. Adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, and adverb of degree. Adverb of frequency. So here let me tell you the method how to understand what is which sentence has the adverb of frequency, or how to frame the sentence while using an adverb of frequency. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus adverb plus the main verb. I have always done my homework. It has seldom eaten dog food. Seldom and always is the adverb of frequency. What is the order of adverbs? First comes the verb with the noun. Okay, noun, verb, manner, place, frequency, time, purpose. Let's see some examples. Beth swims enthusiastically in the pool every morning before dawn to keep in shape. Dad walks impatiently into town every afternoon before supper to get a newspaper. Tashonda naps in her room. Here there is no manner, like how she naps. Okay, we can add one thing. Tashonda naps lazily in her room every morning before lunch. So why does she do that? There is no purpose over here. Okay, we can we can add some purpose, like to feel refreshed. We can add adverbial phrase. Now what is an adverbial phrase? An adverbial phrase is a group of words which functions like an adverb. They tell us how, when, where, or how much an action has occurred, how many times. Now let us see an example. He ran quickly. So instead of the adverb quickly, we can use an adverbial phrase, which is he ran as fast as he could. So this is an adverbial phrase. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and share this video to others whom you feel will have difficulty in learning.